In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Zoho CRM. This integration is incredibly useful for businesses looking to streamline their sales processes and manage customer information more efficiently. So, let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how you can set this up seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to install the necessary extension from within your Zoho CRM. To do this, open your Zoho CRM account and navigate over to the Setup section. Once there, move on to Marketplace, where you'll find a variety of tools and extensions designed to enhance your CRM experience. Next, click on All Extensions. This area is your gateway to numerous third-party applications that can be integrated to extend the functionality of Zoho CRM. It's like having a treasure trove of tools at your fingertips. Now, in the Marketplace, you'll want to search for the Shopify for Zoho CRM extension. This specific extension is engineered to ensure that Shopify and Zoho CRM work together in harmony. Once you've spotted the extension, go ahead and click on it for more details. You'll see an Install button appear. Hit that to start the integration process. During the installation, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service. It's always a good idea to glance through these terms to remain informed about what you're agreeing to. Once you've reviewed and are comfortable with the terms, confirm your agreement to proceed. The next decision is about user access. You'll need to select whether this integration should be available solely for admin users, for all users, or for specific profiles within your organization. If you're not sure which option to choose, consider who will most benefit from the integration in everyday operations. If wider usage is necessary, you might go for the all users option. For more targeted use or testing, selecting specific profiles might be the best approach. This decision ensures that everyone who needs access can have it while maintaining control over who sees and uses what functionalities. And that's it. Once you hit install, the system will take care of the rest, connecting Shopify with your Zoho CRM seamlessly. You've now set up this powerful integration, enabling more streamlined customer interactions and enhanced business operations. By linking your Shopify e-commerce platform with Zoho CRM, you can ensure that all customer data is synchronized, orders are tracked efficiently, and ultimately, improve the service you provide to your clients. This setup empowers your team to access up-to-date customer information swiftly, making your business processes smoother and more effective. Thank you for tuning in today. Integrating Shopify with Zoho CRM can truly revolutionize how you manage your business, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more tutorials that help make technology work for you.